In this video, I'll show you how to change your flight in trip.com. Alright, so here we are on the trip.com Android app. And to see your flights, you want to click on My Trips at the bottom. And now you should be able to see all your trips here. But I'm going to click on All Bookings. So you'll definitely see all your trips here and all your bookings. Click on the specific one that you want to change. Now you can see I have none here, but we'll use a few screenshots. So once you click on your booking, you will have this screen here, and you'll see the option to change your booking. Now keep in mind, you do need to read the cancellation and change policies to note if there are also any cancellation fees. So what you will then do is select the amount of passengers, then you'll click on the calendar and you'll choose your new dates and then click on View Flights. Here you'll be able to see the available flights that you can change to, and you'll just select one and you'll hit Confirm. It'll show you the amount that you'll be refunded for the original as well. And that is all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.